Want to build a Japanese-style dessert shop but feel overwhelmed by the complex modeling process? This time I used V2Fun and Blender to quickly build a complete 3D scene. Part 1. Gather references and design the scene. Define the overall style of the scene. Collect reference images for the layout, furniture, lighting, and decorative objects. With the references ready, generate a scene concept image in V2Fun. Part 2. Generate models and build an asset library. Break the entire scene down into separate assets. Generate a reference image for each asset. Import the refined reference images into V2Fun. Generate multi-angle views. The AI can reconstruct the model more accurately. Generate 3D model using multi-view reference images. This quickly gives you a base model for each prop. Part 3. Assemble the scene and set up the lighting. Once all the models are generated, import them into Blender. Then begin assembling the full scene. Refer strictly to the original reference image. Assemble different models. Adjust proportions, positions, and placement. The cafe space will gradually take shape. Next, adjust the camera position, focal length, and aspect ratio. The right camera angle makes the spatial composition feel more balanced and comfortable. Next, add environmental lighting. Adjust the light direction, intensity, and color temperature. Simulate realistic natural lighting. Part 4. Refine the materials, add details, and render the scene. AI-generated models often have high polygon counts. You can add a decimate modifier. A ratio of around 0.1 usually preserves the details while improving performance. Then add an HDRI environment map. Enrich the ambient lighting and reflections. Next, move on to the materials. Adjust the color, roughness, and metallic values. Then use the compositor to refine the image. For metal objects such as tableware, remove the original textures, increase the metallic value for more realistic reflections. For the liquid in the coffee cup, use subsurface scattering to recreate the realistic look of coffee. Import the lace fabric asset into V2Fun. Generate a normal map and an alpha map. Back in Blender, create a new plane. Connect the color, normal, and alpha map to their corresponding inputs. Finally, add solidify and wave modifiers to make the tablecloth look more natural. Once all the adjustments are complete, begin the final render. The complete cafe scene is now finished. V2Fun quickly generates high-quality 3D assets. Blender handles scene assembly and detail refinement. AI is becoming part of the 3D creation workflow, allowing creators to spend more time on creativity itself.